Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Devi Larasati, NPM 2341110 from class management 23 SP. I will present about international trade and investment. Introduction to international trade and investment. International trade and investment are two main pillars that support global economic growth. International trade refers to the buying and selling of goods and services between countries, while international investment refers to the placement of capital abroad to generate profit. These two activities are interconnected and have significant impact on economic development, diplomatic relations, and technology transfer between nations. Definition of international trade. International trade is the process of exchanging goods and services between countries based on agreements and rules that apply globally. This activity is carried out to meet needs that cannot be fulfilled by domestic production, to take advantage of comparative advantage, and to expand market for producers. Examples include Indonesia export of agricultural products to Europe, or the import of technology from Japan. Benefits of international trade. International trade provides benefits such as increasing state revenue through foreign exchange, creating jobs, expanding market, and encouraging innovation and production efficiency. For consumers, international trade enables access to a wider variety of products at competitive price. For producers, it offers opportunities to compete in global market. Barriers to international trade. Despite its many benefits, international trade faces barriers such as tariff, import quota, protections, difference in product standards, and political of economic instability. These barriers can slow the flow of goods and services between countries and affect the competitiveness of business in the global market. Definition of international investment. International investment is the place of capital abroad by individuals, companies, or governments with the aim of generating future profit. This investment can take the form of direct investment, foreign direct investment or FDI, and portfolio investment. FDI involves establishing companies or acquiring physical assets in another country, while portfolio investment include purchasing shares, bonds, and other financial instruments. Benefit of international investment. Despite in many benefits, international trade faces barriers such as tariff, import quotas, protectionism, difference in product standard, and political or economic instability. These barriers can slow the flow of goods and services between countries and affect the competitiveness of business the global market. Factor influencing international investment. Several factors influence international investment decisions, including political and economic stability, market potential, labor costs, infrastructure, tax policy, and ease of doing business. Countries with a conducive business environment tend to be more attractive to foreign investors. The relationship between trade and international investment. Trade and international investment are closely related. Smooth trade can attract more foreign investment, while investment can increase production capacity to support trade. For example, foreign companies that build factories in Indonesia produce goods that are then exported to other countries. Challenges in international trade and investment. Challenges include global competition, currency exchange rate risk, regulatory difference, trade conflict, and global economic uncertainty. Companies aiming for success in the global market must be able to adapt to change in international trade policy and manage risk effectively. Conclusion: international trade and investment are key drivers of global economic growth. They often face opportunities for countries and businesses to develop, although they also carry risks and challenges. Success in leveraging international trade and investment depends on adaptability, innovation, and the application of the right strengths in strategies in the global market. That's all for my presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.